New dashboard which is going to go in. New as in new to me, but not new. So these are the other stuff. So we are going to quickly pressure wash and clean those, and then we'll start assembling it. So I finally installed the dash. It was a real pain to install it. Now I'm going to put the interiors. So most of the interior is fixed. I actually haven't fixed the power window switch because I'm seeing if I can get a auto cop style power window switch which covers this hole, because the one that the door pad that I got has a hole there. It is from an LX, so everything is pretty well put. Let me turn on the light. So as you can see, the dash is in, but there was a small problem when we fixed the dash. Now what has happened is, in the back these things are not working very well, and plus this is just freely moving, so looks like that module didn't get connected very well. So that happens, you know. We usually learn when we do a lot of DIY. Another problem is this side is leaking. All the doors are leaking literally, so there is water coming everywhere. So I've ordered the weather striping for all the doors, and I also need to give this for the dash for painting, because I really don't like the faded look. So I'll definitely get this painted in a little darker shade, but obviously it is going to be grey. So most likely I'll have to take the dash out again while giving it for paint, because this combination switch also has to arrive. Boardmo has not shipped it yet, so this combination switch is as of now not available. Other than that, there is a major development. As you can see, the alloys the tires are in, so that is nice. I've not put the rear seat yet because there is some work, so the tools are also lying there. There's some bit of wiring. These door switches are not working, so I have to get 4 of these and get those fixed. Other than that, runs as it should. It is better. So I am actually waiting some JB weld, because there are tabs inside the bumper which are broken, so I cannot connect that fog lamp. After I install that fog lamp, then I will show you guys how to wire a fog lamp either to the original switch or to an auxiliary switch. So most likely I'll be connecting this to an auxiliary switch till the time we get the combination switch. At least using the fog lamp we can drive at night. So that is one thing. This has to go to the paint shop for patchwork. So there is some small bit of patch work to be done in places like this. So that is going to happen. Other than that, this has been good so far. Unfortunately, I didn't have much time this weekend, so I had to kind of limit all my work. These are the 17-inch rims that we got for the Cruze in gunmetal grey. The quality is simply amazing. You can see how beautiful it is. I actually had a choice of getting it in matte or in the glossy gunmetal finish. Matte finish would be something like this slightly, so I didn't like the matte finish because that would be really difficult to clean. So this glossy finish would mean that I can clean it really well, because there is a lot of brake dust that is very common for a Cruze. So this is going to go into the Cruze. Right now it has tires which can run for another 5,000-7,000 kilometers easily. Those are 16-inch. So I was thinking, should I do the upgrade immediately, or should I wait for those 5,000 to 7,000 kilometers and then do an upgrade? So I'm actually in double minds, so probably I'll decide on that. So let me know, what do you guys think I should be doing? So again, just showing you guys how beautiful these alloys are.